art periods and movements in Islamic art, Middle Ages, and early and high Renaissance. So to explain further, my members will discuss about our topic.
Islamic art history. Islamic art began in the 7th century after the rise of Islam in Arabia. It spread across the Middle East, North Africa, Spain, and parts of Asia. Unlike Christian art, Islamic art avoided human and animal figures in religious context, focusing instead on decoration, geometry, and calligraphy. Major characteristics: geometric patterns, Arabic calligraphy, arabesque, floral and plant design, intricate tilework and mosaics, symmetry and repetition, avoidance of human figures in religious spaces. Notable artist is Mimar Sinan, the chief architect and civil engineer of the Ottoman Empire under Sultans Suleiman the Magnificent, Selim II, and Murad III. He is regarded as the greatest master of classical Ottoman architecture, designed more than 350 structures that define the skylines of cities such as Istanbul and Edirne.
Early Renaissance, 1400-1490s. The early Renaissance marked the celebrate of classical Greek and Roman ideas in Italy. Artists focus on realism, humanism, and scientific perspective. Began in Florence, Italy around 14,000. Supported by the wealthy families like the Medici, revival of classical philosophy and art. Major characteristic: linear perspective, realistic human anatomy, chiaroscuro lights and shadow, classical themes. All artists: Masaccio, Tommaso di Ser Giovanni di Simone, an Italian painters of the early Renaissance. Active in Florence, he revolutionized Western art through his pioneering use of perspective lights and naturalism. In short 6 years career, the helped establish key artwork, the Holy Trinity. The Holy Trinity, Italian La Trinita, also known simply as the Trinity, is a fresco painted by Masaccio around 1425-1427 in the Dominican Church of Santa Maria Novella, Italy. The work is celebrated as one of the earlier and most influential uses of the pointer linear perspective in Western art. Notable arts: Donatello, Donato, Di Niccolo, Di Vito Bardi, a Florentine sculptor whose innovations helped define the early Italian Renaissance. His master of materials and perspective revived classical ideas of naturalism and human emotion, shaping Western sculpture of centuries. Key artwork: David, a bronze sculpture created by the early Renaissance master Donatello around 1435-1440s. Now housed in the Museo Nazionale del Bargello in Florence, Italy. It is celebrated as the first freestanding nude male statue cast in bronze since antique and a landmark in Western art.
High Renaissance, 1490s and 1527. The High Renaissance represent the peak of artist achievement in Italy, characteristic by harmony, balance, and technical mastery. Certain and Rome, sponsored by Pope Giulio to produce the greatest master of Western art. Major and characteristic: perfect balance, master of perspective, ideas, human emotion, intensity. Key artwork: The Last Supper, a late 15th century mural painting by Leonardo da Vinci, for the refectory of Convent of Santa Maria de la Cruz. It depicts the moment Christ reveals that one of these discipline will betray him. The work does celebrate as a financial of recent competition, federalism, relation.
Conclusion. Overall, these four periods show how art transformed from spiritual and decorative expression, Islamic art, to symbolic religious storytelling, Middle Ages, to the rebirth of realism and humanism, early Renaissance, to the perfection of balance and mystery, High Renaissance. Conclusion. Art history demonstrates that artistic styles change as societies change. Each period built upon the previous one, contributing to the development of Western and global art traditions.